Welcome to MINE-TECH UNIPOD at Nasarawa State University, Keffi, a center of innovation where we explore new frontiers in mining and technology. Students and researchers come together to push boundaries and pioneer solutions for the future of mining. In this video, we'll introduce you to our three dynamic units: the ICT unit, the rapid prototyping unit, and the analytical lab. Each one is designed to foster creativity and precision, driving innovation in mining technologies and
This is the ED X-ray fluorescence machine, also known as the XRF machine. It is used to provide fast and non-destructive elemental analysis in ppm to 100% concentration of solid, liquids, and metals. Now, it describes these elements ranging from light elements, transition metals, and your heavy metals. For light elements, you have examples like calcium, potassium. For your transition metals, you have examples like zinc, iron, and for your heavy metals, you have gold and tin.
Welcome to the ICT unit of the MINE-TECH UNIPOD. Over here, we have several systems which we use to create 3D models for objects and also for geological analysis. For the 3D modeling, we normally use the Autodesk Fusion, which I'm currently using to design a phone holder. And we also use ArcGIS for our geological analysis. Thank you.
3D printing machines. These machines are best used in creating physical objects from digital designs into object layers using plastic or resin. It is used to make prototype, models, custom parts, among other related designs. It produces complex shapes that is hard to machines like mining equipment prototype, product prototype, mechanical part, tools, and medical models, among others.
This is an ABEM thermometer, which is a geophysical instrument used in electrical resistivity and induced polarization survey, which is widely used in mineral exploration, groundwater exploration. This device works by injecting current into the ground through the electrode with the help of its electrical resistivity cable connected to the thermometer. It also is very applicable in groundwater exploration, structural geology, which identify fracture zones and faults. It measures resistivity, self-potential, and induced polarization.
This is a gas chromatograph. A gas chromatograph is a powerful analytical instrument designed to separate, identify, and quantify components within complex liquid, solid, and gaseous mixtures. It is primarily used for volatile and thermally stable organic compounds, offering high sensitivity capable of detecting trace amounts at part per billions levels with full automated operational control. It is widely used in industries like petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, environmental and food analysis for quality control, safety monitoring, and forensic investigation.
And here is the X-ray diffractometer, commonly known as the XRD machine. Now, it is a non-destructive machine used to analyze metals in less than 5 minutes. It has the capacity to detect impurities in concentration of 1%. It is also used to determine lattice spacing, measure atomic structure of materials, and identify crystalline phases.
Here we have the inducive coupled plasma, also referred to as ICPE, optical emission spectrum. Is an advanced analytical technique used for precise detection and quantitative of trace of elements in a wide sample matrices. It offers high sensitivity with high analytical range from part per million down to part per billion. This machine is widely applied in multiple fields, which includes environmental monitoring, geological and mineral analysis, pharmaceutical quantity control, full safety tests.
Hi everyone, my name is Yakubu Abdesamad. I am the operator of the CO2 engraving and cutting laser machine. Using this machine, we cut and engrave digital designs on non-metallic materials such as wood, acrylic, plastic, leather, and other materials. This machine helps us to produce rapid prototype designs on frames, such as frames, signages, stamps, and many more.
Hi, my name is Kingsley Luka Gabi. This is a sky-cut all-vinyl cutter machine. It is a computer-controlled device used to cut designs, letters, or shape into thin materials like vinyl sheets. It is used mainly for stickers, banner, signage, or t-shirt designs. It is controlled by computer or USB input. It writes on adhesive vinyl and papers, and it is more faster and accurate than what manual inputs.
Welcome to Sample Preparation Lab. I am Musa Mame. I will introduce you to a machine called pulverizer. This equipment is an automated advanced laboratory pulverizer which is used in grinding homogenized and comminate hard, medium hard, brittle, and fibrous geochemical samples into fine powder form. It is actually relevant in geochemistry, mining, and metallurgy. These samples can be used for SRF, SRD analysis, ICP OES, and also rock pyrolysis, and many others. And here is manual hydraulic press, which we use in preparing pellets. After making turning a rock sample into a powder form, you will now bring it here to prepare pellets. And it actually counts from 0 ton to 20 ton. But we actually stop. When we start pressing, if we start pressing, we will press to a point in which it reaches 15 ton. It becomes very strong, and your pellet will be ready. Then you bring it out. That's all.
This is a SIF analysis equipment. It is an equipment used to describe grain size distribution of clastic sediment such as gravel, sand, and silt. The result helps in interpreting sediment texture, sorting, and depositional environment.
We have the pyrolysis TOC CCC. This machine analyzes the total hydrocarbon content. This machine gives us the actual maturity state of the hydrocarbon contained in a rock sample. By using this machine, it gives us the actual state at which the hydrocarbon is being matured, at which it is being economically valued for commercial use.
Yeah, welcome to Rapid Prototyping Unit 2. Here in this unit, we have a machine called fiber laser cutter, and this is the fiber laser cutter. This machine actually cuts metal plates depending on any kind of thickness, whether it is aluminum, brass, copper, gold as well. But it cannot cut diamond because diamond is actually the hardest rock or the hardest mineral on earth. In this system, we use 2D head cut to do all the design and also do the cutting. So here the app is and the software is open. For us to cut this is the design, the UNDP design. For us to cut, we have to first and foremost calibrate the machine by entering the CN. But at first, we have to look for a location where we want. Then we drop this on the Z movement, take it down a little. It has to be closer to the plate, and there must be plate on it before you calibrate. Then
we truly appreciate you taking the time to watch. Your interest in these innovations fuels our passion, and we can't wait to engage with you as we shape the future of mining together.